is cloud-based water monitoring system using IoT. And our team members are Li Bolin, Hou Yiyou, Hong Yilun, Gao Qixuan. Our instructor is Mr. Lin Zhichang. We divide our presentation into 5 parts. Firstly, project motivation. Secondly, operational process. Thirdly, structure. Firstly, project demonstration. And finally, the future prospects. Sorry. Let's begin with our project motivation. Do you still remember the water crisis happened last spring? Taiwan was experienced its worst drought in more than half a century. It's the water conditions in Taiwan during the water crisis. Some areas like Miaoli and Hsinchu were put on red alert, which means every week they experienced 2 days of water shutdown. During the water crisis, some people even steal water from other people's tank. Therefore, the residents were forced to turn off the water tank. But it's inconvenient and dangerous to climb to the top floor and check the water tank. Not only was the domestic water use was affected, but also the industrial water use was affected. As you can see from the chart, the proportion of Taiwan's industrial and agricultural water consumption is assigned at 78%. If there is a system that can collect the water data and analyze it, the damage to Taiwan's industry during the water crisis can be reduced, and we can work more efficiently in normal time. So after a discussion with our members, we decided to make a cloud-based water monitoring system using IoT. Next part is the operational process. First, our system has home control functions. Users can get the information of the water tank through HMI. Then, as they receive the water shortage, after they receive the water crisis, they can turn on the water shortage warning model and keep an eye on the water tank without climbing up and down. The second part is the remote monitoring. As long as there is an internet connection, the users can control and monitor the system in real time. Then the system can send the emergency messages when there is someone trying to steal water or turn off the water tank. Finally, the data will be collected to the system and perform the big data analytics, which can be applied to different industries. Let's take a closer look at the structure. First, we use 10-watt solar panel and DC power supplier as our double power supply system. Then use solar cell model and 1 A650 lithium batteries to store the electricity generated by the solar panel. In the power upper tank, the quantity of electricity was shown on the battery level indicator. Then use ESP32 to receive the water data and send to the lower tank. And we use infrared sensor to detect whether there is someone trying to steal water or not. Then use supersonic detector to detect the water level. In the power of lower tank, we install another ESP32 to receive the information which is sent by the upper tank ESP32. And use relay to control the water pump. The message will be sent to HNI and website through Wi-Fi. As for the power of HNI, we use user HNI to create it, and we divide it into 3 parts. The first part is alert, which can notify the users if there is someone trying to steal water or turn off the water tank. The second part is monitoring system, which can show the water level, temperature, and other messages about the water tank. The third part is the Wi-Fi controller, which can connect Wi-Fi and turn on the water shortage warning model after you receive the water outage message, making sure that there is water available during the water crisis. As for the power of website, we use MQTT, Apache, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and PHP to create our website and upload information. Then we use Blink and Gmail to send the emergency messages to the users when there is someone trying to steal water or turn off. Then use FTTT, Google Sheet, and Webhook to upload the information and perform the big data analytics. We would like to demonstrate our project through the following videos so that you will understand our project better. Then the future prospects. In the future, we want to set up an ESP32 cam to take a picture and send it to the users if there is someone trying to steal water or turn off the water tank. Then, in addition to the water tank, our system can also use in reservoir, agriculture, chemistry industry, or aquaculture fishery. With suitable sensor and sufficient hardware, we are confident that our system can use in a lot of fields. You're welcome to scan the QR code and visit our website. Thanks for your listening.